Sunday was pretty stormy across the Midlands. So far, we've had 3 confirmed tornadoes. Here are the tracks from the National Weather Service. The strongest tornado was just south of the town of Winnsboro. If you know the area here, this is Highway 321. That's near the old Mack Trucks plant, and then it did cross Rockton Thruway, and then it made its way towards Horse Creek Road. This is a relatively rural area, but did see a lot of pictures of trees down. The estimated peak winds from that tornado were up to 95 miles per hour, so an EF1 in intensity. If you are going to be traveling across the deep south this evening, very quiet conditions. That wasn't the case yesterday when we did have those storms across parts of the Midlands and the Palmetto State. Tomorrow morning, a little bit of fog is going to be possible, especially in the low country of South Carolina, down towards portions of Florida. So you may run into a little bit of fog. That fog will kind of mix on out. And then as we look ahead towards Tuesday afternoon, very quiet weather conditions as a weak cold front is going to kind of move through. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, which is the start of the new year, very quiet conditions as well. And as we go into Wednesday afternoon, high pressure will be kind of building in across the deep south, keeping our weather pretty quiet. If you are heading down to Orlando Camping World Stadium as the Gamecocks take on Illinois, 3 o'clock kickoff, the weather's going to be great for football, in my opinion. Temperatures at kickoff probably in the upper 70s. It will be a bit breezy at times with winds out of the west, southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll have some clouds today, a little bit of sunshine as well. We'll have a little bit of fog possible early Tuesday because the air is still relatively moist. Cold front's going to swing through and then bring in some cooler air, it looks like, for the start of the new year. So things will be kind of cooling off a little bit for January 1st, but tomorrow will be pretty warm. Our European forecast model shows pretty dry conditions over the next several days with a few more clouds on Sunday. The American model showing basically that same thing. I will say we will be turning a lot colder as we do jump ahead towards the following week. Over the next 7 days, not a lot of rain's expected, but according to the Weather Prediction Center, some light amounts of shower activity is possible with some higher amounts in the extreme northwestern part of the Palmetto State. Yesterday, we did manage to make it up to 66 degrees in the capital city. We did have a lot of storms. We picked up 29/100ths of an inch of rain on Saturday and yesterday, 29/100ths of an inch of rain. No rain is expected today or tomorrow. We're expecting things to remain pretty dry. Record high is 80, record low is 8. Record rainfall was set in 1900, nearly 2 inches of rain, and 1894, a little over 1/4 of an inch of snowfall. Looking for highs today, mid to maybe even upper 60s for a few locations. Lows tonight dropping down into the mid 40s. That's still above our average at this point in December. Temperatures a little bit warmer tomorrow, upper 60s to near 70. A little cooler for New Year's Day with highs in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Mid 50s Thursday, Friday, which is pretty close to normal at this point of the year, or that'll be the new year. As we do jump ahead towards Saturday and Sunday, highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. Our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook is showing the potential for colder than normal conditions. This would be January 6th through January 12th. Things can change, but check out some of these forecasted temperatures for Tuesday the 7th, Wednesday the 8th, and Thursday the 9th, possibly struggling into the mid to maybe even low 40s. Myrtle Beach forecast looking pretty good over the next few days, including today and New Year's Eve, with temperatures around 66 degrees for New Year's Eve, 68 degrees in Charleston for tomorrow. And then in the upstate of South Carolina, we'll go to low 60s tomorrow with a small chance for rain, maybe a chance for some rain for the second half of the weekend in Greenville. Small chance for slightly wetter than normal conditions January 6th through January the 12th. And our holiday countdown will continue. Tomorrow, obviously, is New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, 2 days away. MLK Jr. Day, 21 days from today, and Valentine's Day, if you're really looking ahead, 46 days from today. You can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Monday.